Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you two MacBook Air. This is the first one. This is the M4 Air 16 gigabyte and 512 gigabyte. This is a brand new and unactivated machine, the 2025. And you can see this is starlight color. You can see the shining logo, no problem. And you can see the back cover. Okay, no scratches. And let me show you the port. Okay, no traces of yours. Okay, this is a brand new machine, and you can see the headphone jack. Let me show you the headphone jack. Okay, no problem. This is a brand new. This is the first one, and this one price is about 6,800. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. And let me show you another one. This is the second one, and you can see this is also the brand new. This is 25 30-inch M4 Air, 16-inch to 56 gigabytes, the brand new. And also this one has warranty 2026 September 12. Okay, and this is silver color. It's unpackaged, so this is silver color. You can see the silver color. Silver color. Okay, this price is about 5,500. And also, if you want to buy, you can contact me. This is only the same display, but the storage. This is this Starlight one is 512. This is 256 gigabytes. The different storages. Okay, both M4 30-inch Air. Okay. I'm in the wholesale market about the MacBook. If you want to know more information about the MacBook, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information. Okay, see you in the next video.